Hi guys, today we are touring the Signia by Hilton at Bonnet Creek near Walt Disney World. The Signia by Hilton sits adjacent to the Waldorf Astoria Orlando. Here's a quick peek inside the hotel's lobby. This is a standard room with a king-size bed. All of the rooms at the resort have recently been refurbished. I felt like they had a fresh and modern look. The vanity in the guest bath offered plenty of counter space. This guest bath had a tile standalone shower. Back off the lobby, there's a large screened-in deck. This area had tons of seating. It looked out to the lazy river, but it was also nice that it had the screen in place. It's a very cool area, plenty of room to relax out here. The Hilton Signia had a huge fitness center. There was plenty of equipment. I would imagine you could find anything you could need to get a workout in during your vacation. A curvy water slide sits outside near the lazy river. I like that it was in a separate area. A large pool sits on each side of the lazy river. Guests of the Hilton Signia and the Waldorf Astoria can use the pools at either resort during their stay. The pool on the opposite end of the lazy river has a zero-entry pool area. As you can probably imagine, I had to get up pretty early to get this video with hardly any people in it. Overall, I think the Signia by Hilton is an excellent choice for resorts near Walt Disney World. This location is very difficult to beat. You could literally hop in your car and be at a theme park, say Hollywood Studios, in probably less than 5 minutes from the parking lot of this hotel. If you'd like to learn more about the Signia by Hilton, we'll drop the link to the full resort review in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it so much if you would hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.